Templates make it easy to copy an assignment to your workspace and then fill in the blanks there in your own workspace. This also preserves all the formatting that was created in the original template. So if there was some bold there in the template, that will show up. If there was some color, that will show up. If there's a photo, that will also show up. So templates are a way of just copying the whole assignment, moving it to putting a copy into your workspace, and then you can just fill in the blanks with all the formatting intact. So let's look at how this works. At the bottom of this page, you'll find a template. And these templates are something you're going to be using throughout the course. It's the most common way that I will be making assignments after this point. So the first thing you'll do is you'll come down to the bottom where it says assignment. Here it says, please create a new post in your workspace entitled Experience and Intention. Then copy the code below or use the phone tablet friendly code, we'll get to that in a minute, and paste it into your new post and follow the directions. And then you'll see, if you're working on a computer, it says code select all, and if you just click that button, it will select automatically all the code there in the template. And all you have to do is Command A to copy, or sorry, Command C to copy. Or you can go up here to edit copy, which is the same as Command C. So then I go to a workspace. Let's say I'll go to workspaces and groups, and let's just go into this workspace here. I'm going to create a new topic, and I do Command V to paste, and this will paste all of that text that I just copied into the post itself. And then I just copy the title of the post, which is right here, Experience and Intention, Command C to copy, Command V to paste into the subject line, and if I hit submit, we'll see that the whole thing is there. Now, normally I wouldn't hit submit until I've actually filled in the blanks. So let's say I share something here, and then my intention here. Okay, so I just filled those in, I hit submit, and you'll see that the formatting comes up. It automatically comes in as blue for the stuff that I write, and the template is showing in black. This bold has been bolded, the picture shows up. All of that is done by using the template. And if we look in closely, let's edit the post, you'll see that there it is. The image tag has an img start tag, image start tag, and an image closing tag, stop tag. There's the bold start tag and stop tag. And here's the color tag. It's a little tricky. Here's the opening color tag, and here's the closing color tag. So what I did is I put the opening color tag at the end of this paragraph, so it sort of looks like it's a part of this text, and then left space for you to write your work here. And then at the beginning of the next paragraph in the template, I put the closing tag. So just know that these go together, and that's why this turns out to be blue, because the opening tag is before that blue statement, and then the closing tag is after that blue statement. But it's a little funny, the placement, but it makes sense when you get used to using them. And now that you know about tags, you can just be careful not to delete something. Say if you delete that, then it won't work anymore. So just be aware of that. Okay, so that's how you use templates on the computer. It's that simple. You just copy the template, paste it in, put in the subject, and then fill in your work. And then when you're done, hit submit. So now let's go to doing it on on a phone or tablet. Okay, so now I'm on the phone, and it's the same exact post. Just scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see that there's no text box, there's no code box, but there is the same unformatted text here, as well as a picture link. If I hold on there, you can see the picture. And what I'm going to want to do is, I'm going to have to do this in two parts. First part is to copy the picture link. So let's just hold there until I can open this up and copy it. So now I've copied the picture, and I go to the work one-on-one for busy people, and then go to my workspace, and then create a new topic. And this will be experience and intention. And then I'm going to, I'm going to go down here, click into this area, and then I'll use the image button, and I'm going to paste in that image code that I just got. Paste, hit done, hit submit. Now I have to hit submit on mine because it won't remember it, but you can see that the image is now there. Now what I need to do is go back to the original instructions page, and now I need to copy in the rest of the text. So go ahead and copy that, select it. You have to select it manually. And then I can just use the forward button to go back here. And if I go to this post that I just created, I can click on edit. And I don't need to edit the picture, but I do need to add in the text. So I'm going to paste that, and sure enough, there it is. And then I can go ahead and write my response here, say share something, and then my intention, and I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And you can see that the post shows up. There's the picture, there's the first set of directions, there's my little share something, and share your intention for the course, there's my intention. But notice that there's no formatting, nothing, this didn't become bold, this didn't become blue, none of that formatting shows up. That's one of the disadvantages of not using the template code, and we can't really do that on a phone because you can't use the select all function. But I could, if I wanted to, go back in and edit it. Just depends on how particular you want to be. I could select this, just select this, and I could change the color. So I could go back up and choose, where's the color? Right there. I could choose, say, that blue color, and I could do the same thing here, select, select that, and then go up and again choose blue color. Then hit submit. And so you can do that manually. So this is the disadvantage of working on a phone. You're not able to just import the whole template with all the formatting and the photo and the bold and the colors and all that. That doesn't get, it's not imported with a template. You have to do it all manually on a phone, and so that slows you down. If you're pushed for time or just don't feel like it, you don't have to include the photo. You don't have to, certainly don't have to put your text in blue if you don't want to. These are just extra things. So the main thing is to do your work, and you can still do that on a phone. It's just not quite as quick and simple as it is on the computer. So that's how you use templates. You'll get a lot of practice with this. If you have questions about it, post something in the forum and try it out in this assignment today, and you'll find out what works for you. And you may want to try it both ways, on a phone and the computer, but at least try it on one of the two.